All right. I know you guys been waiting for this jerk chicken. I know I have, so we're about to try this right now. So we got the jerk chicken with mango sauce from Everytable. Jerk chicken, coconut rice, red beans, sauteed kale with bacon, and tangy mango sauce. And we also have 2 beef patties from the Dollar Tree. If you know, you know. Golden Crust got the best beef patties, guys. I don't want to hear nothing. So we have spicy beef, and we also have jerk chicken. Okay, so this is my first time opening it. I don't even know how it smells, so we just gonna, it's the first for everything. Off the look, right off the back, the rice looks really good. Can you guys see what's going on right there? We're gonna try it without the sauce first, okay? This first, let's see. That rice is good. Let's try this jerk. This is the main thing right here. Let's try it. Got a little kick to it. Kale with bacon. Make sure you get a little piece of bacon. Oh. They was on some collard green shit with this. Okay. That was good. The jerk chicken, it's good. It's not on the like crazy authentic side, but it's actually really good. We got a little piece of fat here. We're gonna take this off. Alright, we're gonna try it with this mango sauce. Let's see what this mango sauce hitting for real quick. Let's taste it by itself. Oh. You could damn near drink that. I'm not even being... Okay. The mango sauce got a little kick to it. But it almost tastes like mango juice, like with, not juice, but like, yo, it's really good. That mango and that orange. Yeah, tangy, it says tangy. Okay, it's not orange, but. Yo. It definitely has a kick to it, so if you guys don't like spicy, this ain't it. But actually amazing for... Okay, this kale tastes just like collard greens. And actually tastes really good, I'm not gonna lie. This is really good. I'm gonna give this like damn near 9.5. That little 5 is just, of course it ain't the real thing, but of course it's amazing. Like, nah. I gotta give this a 10. I'm sorry, I gotta give this a 10. I have to think about price and quality. Go to Everytable right now and get this one. This is fire. Spicy beef. Jerk chicken. All right, I microwaved it for 3 minutes. This is extremely flaky. Look how flaky that is. Look how flaky that is. Yes, we got a bath. Big old tub of ice water. Let's try the spicy beef. This is so soft. Look at this. Yes. Spicy beef one is my favorite. Go get that.